So let's have a look at proportion now. So here's an example of a proportion question. So if 3 pencils cost 27p, how much do 5 pencils cost? So the idea is we can't scale it. There's no whole number we can multiply 3 by and get 5. So it's not so straightforward as just scaling up. We need to kind of scale down and then up. You'll see why. So you know me, I love drawing a bar model. So here we've got the cost of 3 pencils. 1, 2, 3. And that's 27p. And I want to know how much would it cost if I had these 2 extra pencils. Okay, so here I've got a little bar split into 3 equal bits, and that's 27p. So to work out what's in each bit, I need to divide. Okay, I'm sharing it into 3 equal bits. 27 divided by 3, so that's 9p basically. Each pencil in here costing 9p. And then, so 1 pencil is 9p. So it's like I'm scaling it down. And then I'm going to work out what 5 pencils cost. Well, if I've got 5 lots of 9, 5 times 9 is 45p. And that's basically it. Okay, let's have a look at something a little bit more tricky. So I'm making a recipe for 4 people. Uses 500 grams of pasta. How much pasta would I need if I wanted to feed 7 people? So this is actually quite a real life question. So most recipes do come for 4 people, but not every meal you cook is going to be to feed 4 people. So you need to be able to adapt recipes to do this. So 4 people, you need 500 grams. Okay. So let's scale it down and work out what you need for 1 person. So it's like we're quartering both amounts. So for 1 person, let's set out this. How many 4s go into 500? Well, 1 4 goes into 5 with 1 left over. 2 4s go into 10 with 2 left over, and 5 4s go into 20. So that's 125 grams for 1 person. And then we want to work out what it is for 7 people. 7 person, 7 people. Okay, so it's like I'm going to scale it up. I'm going to multiply that by 7. So again, set out a little sum off to the side. Never rub out your workings like this. Really, this is kind of, you might think this looks messy, but these bits, these are the most important bits. 5 times 7 is 35. 2 times 7 is 14. Add on the 3, 17. 1 times 7, 7, add on 1 is 8. So you would need 875 grams for 7 people, okay? And that's how to do proportion questions. So scale it down, then scale it up to whatever you want.